Hi guys. After the topic which we had done on Saturday, I've got some of the feedback that if we can share some resumes. So I'm sharing today 4 resume formats which you can use by filling it up, right? You can mix and match the format. This is format one, all right? I'll show you some more formats. These are very clean formats, and you can use it as per your requirement. Okay, and enhance your resume quality because similar type of formats we have seen it so many times, but a neat and clean format creates the first impression, which compels the reader to at least look into what you have to say, right? So I'm sharing 4 formats readily available, even many formats are readily available online also. These are also some online formats, but I hope you will find it useful. Thank you.